What are the options available for vaginal tightening post-childbirth? Vaginal laxity post-childbirth is very common. At least 25 to 50% of the women experience the same. For some, it recovers with simple measures like Kegels or pelvic floor strengthening exercise, but for many, it is a permanent problem. There are surgical as well as non-surgical options. So, what would suit you best will be decided by a cosmetic gynecologist, provided they examine you and counsel you for the procedure. When it comes to surgical vaginal tightening, vaginoplasty is the commonly performed procedure. It is a daycare surgery and it involves anesthesia, but the recovery period can be as far as 4 to 6 weeks. Basically, the vaginoplasty offers best results for persons with multiple childbirth and very lax vagina. The surgeon tightens the vaginal muscles and removes the excess tissue to give you a tight vagina. The commonly performed non-surgical procedures for vaginal tightening are lasers and radiofrequency, which involves giving laser shots or radiofrequency shots to the vaginal canal superficial tissue, and this in turn promotes the collagen production and gives a tighter and firmer vagina. So this is basically suitable for women with milder problems and it involves only 15 to 20 minutes of your time, but it might need multiple sittings to have a better result.